really long line to get inside, so this place is bumping. So this coffee shop is 146 years old. It was established in 1876 and supposedly located on the Viennese latitude at the meridian of loneliness. That sounds scary. Nobody in here looks lonely though. People were laughing with their friends, family. Train to Salzburg. So guys, this is Flo. We went to high school together, which is pretty cool, and he's actually joining me for dinner at the world's oldest restaurant with all of the vegetables. And once everyone's sauce was done, I realized something. Because everyone came to past couple, I feel so single right now. For dinner for one. But even though I was sad and jealous of all of these stupid couples, I still had a burger today. Then we made a special